minimum trading days are 5, maximum trading days are unlimited, leverage is 130, payout is 14 days. You will get 8% on all the sales. With 5% you can offer the discount to your clients. No one in the prop industry offering this. It's good. Really like the program. From the payout and risk model part, I would say ThinkCapital offers the real deal and is here to stay for a long run. Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Danish and today we are diving into an exciting new prop firm that just hit the market, and trust me, it looks super promising. Yes, it's ThinkCapital, backed by a powerhouse, Think Markets. While they are keeping it low on social media and their website, but if you connect the dots with their names, you will see it's their project, and I can confirm it. If anyone knows about the prop industry, you will definitely familiar with the Think Markets as well. So why does ThinkCapital look super promising? First, it's backed by a top broker with over 15 years of experience. That's right. This is not just some startup. It's got some serious pedigree behind it. Second is risk model. This is not just any prop firm. It's built on a robust risk management expertise of a top broker. If you are familiar with the broker industry, you know it's all about mastering the A book and B book strategies. And guess what? ThinkCapital leverages the same powerful risk model, making it a fortress into the prop trading world. As someone who has worked over 4 years in the prop industry, I would say a successful prop firm stands on two pillars if they want to be in the game for a long run. One is sales and the second one is risk model. I would say the risk model is more important. Most of the prop firms shut down due to inefficiency in their risk models. Look at the successful top prop firms that have been around for years. You rarely see issues with their payouts and they hardly offer discounts. That's the same as ThinkCapital has. So it's up to you whether you want discounts or reliable payouts. So let's dive into their website and see what program they are offering. Here is the website of ThinkCapital. So overall website looks good theme, yellow with the dark black, and they are offering 3 types of challenge programs: lightning 1-phase evaluation, dual step 2-phase evaluation, Nexus 3-phase evaluation, offering 5 types of account sizes: 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k and 100k. We will discuss in detail. Let's go down further. So they are currently offering only MT5 Think Market platform, and Think Trader and TradingView will be coming soon. So what does it mean? Basically, Think Trader is a platform that will be integrated in the TradingView. So if someone has the TradingView profile and they have the Think Trader account, so they can go to their TradingView profile and they can log in the Think Trader account directly from the TradingView profile and execute the trades from there. So that is a very cool integration and the functionality they are going to offer. It will be live within a week or 2. So no one in the prop industry offering this TradingView trade execution directly. They are offering the charts in number of platforms, but direct execution is not there. So this is something new Think Market is going to offer, the TradingView execution, so you can manage your account and trade directly from your TradingView profile. So that is a very cool thing. Also they are offering the raw spread. Same, the Think Zero accounts. They are offering the Think Market. So let's go to the individual program and see what the rules and regulations are there. So this is the Lightning account. So in the Lightning account, they are offering 10% profit target you need to achieve with 3% daily loss limit, and max loss limit is 6%, and 6% is a trailing loss. And the cool thing is the daily loss is based on the daily starting balance. It is not the fixed drawdown. So if you are in the profit, you will get more buffer in terms of USD. So that's a very cool thing. I would say 99% of the prop firms offer the fixed drawdown. So that is something very cool thing. It gives the very good buffer for the profitable traders as well. And the minimum trading days are 5, maximum trading days are unlimited, leverage is 130, payout is 14 days. News trading is not allowed on funded accounts, but it is allowed on challenge. EA is allowed, but you need to buy account with the add-on. And weekend holding is allowed. There is no consistency rules. This is the brief summary of the rules. Daily drawdown 3% based on end of the day account balance. 6% trailing drawdowns locked at your initial account balance once it grows by 6%. So these rules are very good, almost the same as per market standard, except the daily drawdown that is based on balance based. Let's move to the next dual step. Dual step, yeah, profit target is 8%, very good. Phase 2 target is 5%, 4% daily loss. 5% is also available with the add-on. You can increase your max daily loss up to 10%, but once you increase your daily drawdown to 10%, then your target also for phase 1 increased by 10% as well. Profit split is 80%, 90% with the scaling, and also available on the add-on. Payout frequency is 14 days. Leverage is 100, 5 days, unlimited maximum trading days. Again, daily loss limit in the dual step is also the daily starting balance. That is a very cool thing, as we already discussed. News trading is allowed on both challenge and funded, but you need to buy with the add-on. Expert advisory is on, almost the same thing we have in the lightning. So this is a summary. So very cool thing, good program, and also very economical. You see their prices are very economical. 99 100k account is just with the 499, not the highest. They are charging very economical prices, 50k 299. And then we have the Nexus. In the Nexus, phase 1 target is 7%, phase 2 target 6%, phase 3 5%, daily loss limit 4%, max loss limit 8%, profit split 80%. With the add-on it is available 90%. Also you can get 90% with the scaling plan. Payout frequency bi-weekly, that's good. Leverage is 100, minimum trading days 5 days. Again, daily loss limit is based on daily starting balance. So that's a very cool thing. Like in all the 3 plans, they're offering daily loss based on the daily starting balance. That's a very cool thing. News trading is allowed on both funded and challenge, but you need to buy with the add-on. You need to buy the challenge with the add-on. So overall, the rules are good. There is no consistency rules. All the rules are written in the FAQs. So these are the summary of the Nexus. So it's good. Really like the program. And then they have the affiliate program as one. If you want to make money with them, you need to bring sales. So they have 3 tiers. First tiers, you can get 8% on all sales. So that's another very cool thing. Most of the firms I see, they only offer commission on the first sales. So they offer commission on all the sales. So you will get 8% on all the sales. With 5% you can offer the discount to your clients, and monthly payouts. And once you get more than 100 referrals, then your commission will be 10%. The same thing, 5% discount and the monthly payouts. And once you cross 250 referrals, you will get 12% on the sales. Discount will be 7.5% on all of your clients, and then the bi-weekly payouts also enable. So this is a really cool thing. Overall, the website looks good. Let's visit their dashboard. So here is the dashboard. So overall dashboard looks good. The same theme, black, dark version, and the yellow. So they offer gain and targets, daily loss limit, max loss limit. All the metrics are there. Loss limits, overall view, the graph is there. Average win, average loss. So all the metrics are there. And then they have the web trader. Like obviously they offer Think Market, so you can trade directly from their dashboard. And then they have another thing is like analysis hub. So this is good. You can view your account as in detail: net profit, loss, equity, recovery factor, number of trades you take, short trades, long trades, average win, loss. Yeah, this is a graph, account target analysis, current loss analysis. Yeah, it's a good thing. And then they have the product. Okay, so in the product you can buy it directly from here. So you see there's a number of add-ons, 90% profit split, additional drawdown, expert advisory, and here is the prices. So let's see the lightning prices. So prices are also lightning and dual step have the same prices. Nexus have the less prices. Yeah, 100k account in the Nexus is 349, and in the dual step and lightning it is 499. With an add-on it raised by 25%. And then there's accounts and trading tools, like calendars are built in there. These are the trading view integration calendars. Then these are the payments, and then the payouts, and then compliance. So overall I would say they offer the real deal, and their website and dashboard look solid. So from the payout and risk model part, I would say ThinkCapital offers the real deal and is here to stay for a long run. This is all we have for this video. Hopefully you like the video. Have a great day. Thank you.